had an awesome experience with JOI. If it was not for them, I would not be able to have my life back. I was barrel racing and I broke my left hip. I seen the first orthopedic surgeon. I didn't like what he had to say. I asked for a second opinion to see Dr. Stanton Longenecker from JOI. Not even 3 minutes when he walked in after he seen my x-rays and everything, he's like, I know what happened to you. You overextended your left leg and you broke part of your ball joint. From there, he stood there and he sat there and he explained to me what happened to me, because I was dumbfounded, because I was in so much of a shock. I didn't realize what happened to me. From there, he stood there 45 minutes explaining to me and my husband what I did to damage my leg. And he took enough patience out of his day and his time to sit there and see me. He said, this thing's going to be really aggravated. And he said, we're going to try it. And he's like, are you ready? I said, let's roll. And he's like, I love your attitude. I said, and he's like, you have everything to gain and everything to lose. And he said, we're going to fix you. We had several surgeries. On my first surgery, he cut out my ball joint because it was broken. And he put in a temporary spacer, an antibiotic spacer. When he put in the spacer, he let me go for 2 months. After the 2 months that I wore the spacer, we made sure my white blood level count was down, everything was good, and there was no infection because it was in there so long broke. And then he went in after the 2 months, and he went in, everything was clean, everything was really good. And that's when he went in and put the hip replacement in. For my final surgery, he put my mini hip in. And I've had, within having this mini hip, my second surgery was awesome. It was like no pain, nothing at all. I mean, it was nothing like that. I walked 400 feet the first day after surgery. I just can't thank God enough for that, man. After my surgery, I got my ability to go back to my everyday life. I can walk again, I'm barrel racing again, and I'm happy. Thanks, JOI.